This is a short tutorial on how to buy shares of Adicet Bio Inc. Adicet Bio is a clinical stage biotech company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker ACET, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To purchase ACET, you need a brokerage account. We use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the broker search bar and type the ticker ACET to find Adicet Bio. Select the NASDAQ listing to ensure you have located the correct company equity. Open the Adicet Bio asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the ticker ACET and company name to make sure it is the right stock. Click the Invest or Trade button, enter the amount you want to buy, and carefully review your order before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at the next session. If your account balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before the purchase can be completed. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio and you can monitor it there. Check the video description for a direct link to the broker and additional resources.